Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I will be doing my wash day routine and rice water rinse. So you guys know I have not washed my hair ever since I did the rice water challenge for 5 days straight. And the main question we were all having was, did it mess up my hair and will I have curls afterwards? I was starting to get a little bit skeptical about my curls, but as you can see, they started to come in. It was just taking a little bit longer for them to form because of the amount of protein I was putting in my hair from the rice water. Now, I did saturate my hair longer than usual because I wanted my hair to be soaking wet, given the fact that it's kind of resisting water at this point. Before we put any products in our hair, I can already see that my curls are different. Now, usually my hair is like a 4B, 4A type of curl, and I can see that it's kind of like a 3A, 3B looser curl. Now, my ends, on the other hand, we're just gonna have to work with those. I'm not sure at this point what's going on. I do use extra strength damage remedy plus coconut miracle oil shampoo and conditioner. This is just my normal product that I use when washing my hair. If you guys have any other recommendations or any different type of products that I can use with how my hair is now, with it being dry and needing more moisture, please comment those down below so that I can try them. I know you guys are gonna ask why I only put the shampoo at the roots of my hair. I usually wash my hair like this because shampoo strips your hair and my hair is already dry. So it's not necessary to just put it all the way through because once I rinse my hair, it's gonna wash it anyways. It's getting steamy because I like to run really hot water on my hair before I put the conditioner on so that my cuticles can open up. You want to do this so that you can lock in all of the moisture when putting in conditioner in your hair, especially when you have dry hair. Now, don't be coming for me in the comments because I know that my ends are straight. Now, I'm not going to blame it on the rice water because you guys know that I did flat iron my hair after I did the rice water challenge. And I have not had my hair flat ironed since 2016. And I didn't use much heat protectant, as well as I kind of did overdo it with flat ironing my hair because during the week I did have to bump my ends a little because they were kind of freezing up. So I think that's where the straight ends are coming from. I kind of got some heat damage. Now, I'm not going to blame it on the rice water. I'm not sure. So don't quote me on it, but I really think that it was because I flat ironed my hair and I put a little bit too much heat on my hair. Prior to doing this rice water challenge, you guys know that I had a lot of shedding. This is like slim to none compared to how much my hair used to shed. I'm not going to say that the rice water is bad, because if it was, I wouldn't be using it again. I actually like the rice water. I mean, it grew my hair. It made my hair stronger, more manageable. Oh, let's not forget about this shine it gave my hair. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know, my hair has changed overall and I can tell the difference. I do have a different curl texture than before because my hair was like really tight curly like. And I like my hair the way that it is now. I hated my hair curling up so tight. I like the looser curls, so I don't know. If this works for you, then it works for you. If it don't, it don't. Different strokes for different folks, period. So now we're going in with this rice water. You guys know that I have it in a spray bottle. I know that some of you were commenting saying that you just pour it over your head. With me doing this in a recording room, when I did it, that would have not worked. But me being in the shower, that's something that I could see me doing, being lazy. But I'm just gonna spray this so that I can know exactly where it's going and I can make sure that everything is evenly distributed. So I'm just spraying this all over my hair. I'm really focusing in on my scalp. I don't want to put too much on my roots. I don't want to put too much on my ends because they're dry enough, but I am going to run it through my ends, especially these heat damaged ends. I want to see if the rice water do bring my curl pattern back. If it don't, it don't. We're just going to try and see. So yeah. Okay, so I have sprayed most of the rice water in the places that I wanted most, and now I only have a little left, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it on my ends. Like I said, I'm really trying to focus this on this heat damage ends to see if it can do anything to help this, because I am against cutting my hair. But yeah, most people with this rice water, you guys are focusing in on it's growing your hair, and I don't think that you should only focus on that, because the rice water does have many benefits to your hair. So growth shouldn't be the only thing you should be focusing on. And even though it grew my hair, it did break my hair off because of the dryness, and I don't know how to maintain dry hair. So I did experience a little breakage, which is fine. Hey, it'll grow back. So I did go ahead and finish my shower. I pinned my hair up, and then afterwards I rinsed all of the rice water out. We're just going to go on this journey together. I am going to try to implement this rice water in all of my wash days. So we're going to see how my hair changes over time. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have tried the rice water, comment down below and let me know what it did to your hair. Follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MieshaLave_. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.